If you've ever struggled with being face conscious, if you've ever wanted to put yourself out there as a UI UX freelancer, as a brand, as a personal portfolio, website, whatever it is that you're doing, sometimes it gets really difficult in the beginning to put your face out there. And I know I struggled with being introverted and not wanting to put myself out there for a really long time. And I found an incredible solution to that. They sponsor Higgsfield Influencer Studio, which can literally, within the click of a couple of buttons, lets you create an entire user persona really simply by going into the Higgsfield Influencer Studio site. You can get the link in the pinned comments of this video, entering a prompt on what you want your character to look like, or choosing from the customizable options present within the click of a few buttons, and creating an entire user avatar influencer persona, which can literally be used absolutely anywhere on your site, on my site, on a social media platform. And if you're using these AI influencers by Higgsfield, you can even earn from the Higgsfield Earn program. But for me, the most interesting part about this entire story is the fact that you can literally create an entire persona without actually putting your face out there, customize its actions, its movements, whatever it says, whatever it does, and AI lets you do that entirely from the click of a button from your own computer. And now the entire struggle of, I want to do this thing that I'm really passionate about, I want to put myself out there as a personal brand, and yet I'm struggling because I have an introverted personality. It's harder for me to put myself out there when faces are involved and all of the insecurities come into play, or I have some cultural personal reasons to not want to put my face out there. Higgsfield AI Influencer Studio lets you bypass all of those tiny little problems that have been holding you back. So just go and check it out today, because it lets you create your first 15 characters for free, and the amount of power you have when you start creating all of these influencer characters is just incredible. And that is my tip of the day.